Hey everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel that name is Sam. Today in this video we are going to uh, solve another interesting maths puzzle. The statement of the problem is given on the screen. I'm going to read it. After that I'm going to solve this problem. Okay. So the given question is what? Find the sum of the digits present in this number. Okay. So as you see, this number is a very big number, and this number consists of the product of these two number. One is 625 whole to the power 55 and another is 128 whole to the power 31. If we directly go to find this product, so this will be more time consuming, and at the same time there is a possibility that we won't be able to find a product within a short time. So what we need to do to solve this problem, so we are going to use a trick, and using this trick we are going to solve it. Okay, so how we can solve it? The intuition behind the problem is that we are going to transform this product, that means this product, to a number to a number to a number which may be a smaller number and maybe a bigger number, consists of many zeros. That means we are going to make a number consist of many zeros. That means suppose let us consider the number is say 19. Then we are going to see how many zeros after 19 present there. That means by doing so, what we are going to have, suppose consider this number 19 with how many zeros are there, 1 2 3 4. Then we can write it what, 19 into 10 to the power 4. That means we are going to write the number as a product of that number with 10 to the power something. Okay, so let's do it. So 625 whole to the power 55 and 128 whole to the power 31 can be written in this way. 5 to the power 4 whole to the power 55 into 128 can be written as 2 to the power 7 whole to the power 31, and this can be again further after simplification, so this can be written in this way. So 5 to the power 220 and into 2 to the power 217, and 220 can be written in this way, 217 into 5 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 217, which is already present here. So now after that, so what are we going to have? So we are going to combine 5 into 2 5 to the power 217 into 2 to the power 217. And how we can combine it? 5 into 2 whole to the power 217, and 5 to the power 3 is already here. So this can be done by using the property a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab whole to the power m. Okay, so after doing so, what are we going to get? 10 to the power 217 into 125, and after that, so what are we going to have? 125 with how many zeros are there? Since 10 to the power 217 is present here, so therefore the zeros will be how many times? 217 times. So if we are going to find the sum of this product, then what we are going to have? So 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 0 plus dot dot dot. So how many zeros will be there? 217 zeros are there. So after doing so, what we are going to get? 8. That means sum of the product will be 8 only. So this is the required answer.